Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an opening balance in Zoho Books. And first, log into your Zoho Books account. You can sign in with Google or other options. And once you're logged in, click this button right here, which is the gear, and it serves as the settings. And now click on organization, click profile, and you can just search opening balances to make it easier for you. And click on it, and now you can choose your opening balance date very carefully. And this date sets the starting point for your financial data. And next, fill in the balances for your account as of that date and making sure that they match your previous records exactly. And after entering all amounts, click continue to um, review your entries. And then you just gotta double check everything for your accuracy. And then click confirm once you want to save your opening balances. And that's it. Thank you so much. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.